built-in types string methods. str.expand tabs. Tab size is equal to 8. Return a copy of the string where all tab characters are replaced by one or more spaces. Depending on the current column and the given tab size, tab positions occur every tab size character. Default is 8, giving tab positions at column 0, 8, 16, and so on. To expand the string, the current column is set to 0 and the string is examined character by character. If the character is a tab, \t, one or more space characters are inserted in the result until the current column is equal to the next tab position. The tab character itself is not copied. If the character is a new line or return \r, it is copied and the current column is reset to 0. Any other character is copied unchanged and the current column is incremented by 1 regardless of how the character is represented when printed. For example, expand tabs. Let's do the example. String 1, print string 1. If I print string 1, 0 1 back tab 0 1 2 tab 0 1 3, and now what I do, string 1 dot expand tabs, tab size is equal to 10, and then print string 1. Now let's see the example. Okay. 0 1, no change. I think here I should print like this and then this. Now okay, there are 10 tabs, 10 spaces. Thank you. Okay, now if I say okay, str.find sub start end, return the lowest index in the string where substring sb is found within the slice as start end. Optional arguments start and end are interpreted as in slice notation. Return -1 if sub is not found. The find method should be used only if you need to know the position of sub. To check if sub is a substring or not, use the in operator. py.in py.in Python. Python. Py in Python. It should return true. True. Find s s2 is equal to string 1 dot find HON, print s2. So it should print 0 1 2 3 3. It's okay. If I say s3 is equal to string 1 dot find xxx, print s3, it should return -1. Start and end. Start 2 and length of string 1, it's 3. If I say 4, it should return -1. Now, string.format. String.format star args comma star keywords perform a string formatting operation. The string on which this method is called can contain literal text or replacement fields delimited by braces. Each replacement field contains either the numeric index of a positional argument or the name of a keyword argument. Return a copy of the string where each replacement field is replaced with the string value of the corresponding argument. For example, this one. So this is the string. Print the sum of 1 plus 2 is 0. 1 plus 2, 3. And if I say this is argument 1, this is argument 2, so in between this sum string, in between this sum string, in between this sum string, and now this is 0th argument, comma, then xyz is the second argument, 1th argument, then 5 is the second argument, third index. So it will print like this. It will replace 0th argument with this one, first argument with this position, third argument with this. This is formatting using format. See formatting string syntax for a description of various formatting options that can be specified in format strings. When formatting a number, integer, float, complex, decimal, dot decimal, and subclasses with the n type, example colon n dot format 1 2 3 4. The function temporarily set the LC type locale to the LC numeric locale to decode decimal underscore point and thousands underscore separate SEP fields of local ONV if they are non-ASCII or longer than 1 byte, and the LC underscore numeric locale is different than the LC underscore C type locale. This temporary change affect other threads. When formatting a number with the n type, the function sets temporarily LC underscore C type locale to the LC underscore numeric locale in some cases. Let's see format string options. Common string operations, string constants. The concatenation of ASCII lowercase and ASCII uppercase constants is described below. The value is not local dependent. So this was about formatting, str.format method, string method. Thank you.